Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar was a true legend. The deeds and activities of Ambedkar never support violence. However, patiently he targeted to mold the concept of casteism by adopting national perspective. He believed if there is any caste in religion, no society can be built up, as well as social unity can never be achieved. His golden thoughts and inspirational ideologies empower the younger Dalit generation to raise voice against the caste system. Ambedkar put forth his thoughts before the nation to purify minds of the people from the complicated concept over religion and caste. In his words, religion must mainly be a matter of principles only. It can never be a matter of rules. So the so-called downtrodden caste Hindu religion had been a part of Ambedkar's concern. The field which was driven through the wave of his mind was to save humanity and to give patronage to the unity, fraternity and equality. His movement to fight against the caste system, where human missions which had helped, is helping and will be helping to release the harassed people from the bondage of being categorized unsociably, the bondage of being segmented illogically, and the bondages of being separated immorally. Baba Saheb was not against the caste system. He was against the untouchable word in the society. He was a firm believer of values of, as I have told, liberty, equality and fraternity. So he had suffered a lot in his life. When he started his career as a professor or as a business consulting, it failed when his clients or his professors came to know that he is untouchable. So challenges were at that time also, friends. But the fact is that people were not open-minded. Today we have open ways to deal with challenges, problems, because we have already a democratic pattern of Ambedkar's ideal views and dreams. In his words, you must abolish your slavery yourself. Do not depend for its abolition on God or Superman. So Ambedkar, Mr. B.R. Ambedkar has done for the nation and has thought for the society is marked as a philosophy which helps to build up young stamina to fight challenges and bring the nation on a platform where the society is known by the education and not by the caste or religion. Thank you so much.